On this episode of IMTS Plus, we are moving to another restaurant in our series of Chicago with the Locals. We are visiting Avec, and we are pleased to be joined by the principal of Avec, Mr. Donnie Madia.
Yes.
And we are excited to get a look at this fabulous restaurant and talk about his interesting career and complete range of Chicago restaurants. So, Nicole, this is exciting, isn't it? Look at this.
This is awesome. I mean, I have been to a few of Donnie's restaurants, and this to me is such a treat. So I'm really pleased to be here. Thank you for having us.
Thanks for having me.
So I've got a fun cocktail here. You've got wine. Peter, what do you have?
Another fun cocktail.
I love it. I feel
Look
like
at
everything
this.
looks so fresh and exciting. And as we've been sitting here trying to get to know you and talking about passions, can you tell us a little bit about how Avec came to life, how One-Off's hospitality also came to life, because you do have more than just your one-off restaurants.
Yeah, great question. Originally, Avec is the sister restaurant next to Blackbird. Blackbird, we opened December of 1997. 4 years later, this space became available across the street, across the alley from Blackbird, and we thought, well, we should take advantage of this because we need more space to help at least make people comfortable, because they can't really, there's no real standing room at Blackbird. We should start with these two important items because they've been on the menu for 20 years.
Wow.
Crowd pleasers, to be quite frank with you. This is the deluxe focaccia. Next on our list is the delicious chorizo dates. So we take medjool dates, we stuff chorizo in the center, and then we wrap it in bacon, and then finish it off with a piquillo red sauce. This was a lunch item that everyone loved at Blackbird.
I have missed Blackbird. That
Yeah.
was such a good day.
Yeah. So this is the hamachi crudo with shallots and strawberries, which are in season right now. What's really interesting is that you have no obstructions, so there's no tall buildings around you, so you really get some beautiful sunlight in here, and it feels really warm and friendly.
Definitely something for everyone from IMTS to come from the show and come hang out. Fresh breeze, beautiful scenery.
And beautiful food.
Amen.
Beautiful food. So,
She's the closer.
yeah, that's it.
She's the closer.
Certainly, we want to recommend Avec
Yes.
and many others to our
Thank you.
IMTS guests. We'll be listing some, of course, on our website, and look forward to all of our guests to experience this. Thank you.
Absolutely. And I will say to all the IMTS world, if you love oysters, I always go to the Public Inn for oysters. So definitely check that out.
Yeah.
Let's hope we see a lot of folks here during IMTS.